What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. So let me back up some. So as you saw from the title, I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine. This is like my millionth time filming my everyday makeup routine, only because before I never liked like the lighting and stuff, and of course I am still new to like doing YouTube and all that, so I'm still trying to work out like lighting and like angles and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine for you guys, so keep watching if you want. So the first thing I do, of course, I did my eyebrows already off camera because I am going to do an eyebrow routine. So I did them off camera and I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. So now I'm just going to color correct a little bit using the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Okay, and I'm going to blend it out using this Wonder Blender by Shop Miss A. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some primer on. Normally I just use a spray primer like the Shop Miss A AOA Studio primer spray, or I use my, of course, this is like my go-to primer, OG spray primer, the Smashbox Primer Water. I still use that because I still love it. So yeah, but anyway, I'm not going to use that in today's video. I'm actually going to use this one here, AOA Studio Wonder Skin Poreless Primer by Shop Miss A. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this L.A.Girl Illuminating stick, and of course I'm just going to put it like right here, like where, of course, just all the places where I highlight. Basically I'm going to put it here, a little bit on my nose, put some right here, down my chin, and the other side like this, and just a little bit. Okay, so after I do that, I just go straight into concealer. This is my foundation everyday makeup routine. Sometimes I do use foundation, sometimes I just use concealer, and in this one I'm just going to use concealer. So I'm going to use these two here. This is my Fenty Pro Filt'r Retouch concealer in 430. And then I haven't used this in a while, really, as like just to put on face. This is actually okay. So now I'm going to set everything using my RCMA setting powder. And I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder and set everywhere else. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my eyes. I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm trying out this e.l.f. mascara, this Voluminizing and Defining mascara that I got. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some too. Okay, so I'm not necessarily done with my eyes. I do put lashes on, for my everyday, because I feel like, I don't know, I just feel naked without lashes. So these are one of many pairs of that. So this is the style Chloe. This is what they look like by AOA Studios, which is Shop Miss A. And I think these are some pretty lashes. I love these lashes. I use them, of course, for every day, like I mentioned. So I'm gonna apply these. This is what they look like, you can see. So I'm gonna apply them off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I applied my lashes. This is what they look like. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see. This is what they look like. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So now I move on to highlights. This is AOA Studio Powlighter in the shade SunRay, and it's a of course a powder, hence the name Powlighter. So it comes like this. I'm gonna swatch it for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like. Is that enough? Like, that's it. Like, it's a pretty highlighter, and I do like this. And I will leave the link down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. It was only $1 on Shop Miss A's website, which everything is $1 on Shop Miss A website. If you never checked out Shop Miss A, I will leave the link down below for y'all to check that out as well. So I'm gonna apply this Powlighter with the AOA Studio F19 brush. This came from Shop Miss A as well, and it's a highlighter brush. So now I'm going to be setting everything using this Flower Seal the Deal setting spray, and I used it a couple of times. I don't know how I feel about it, honestly. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with it. Now to finish everything off, I don't do anything to my lips, but just put on like just a real good, nice and like popping lip gloss. So this is one of my go-to right here. This is the LA Colors Glossy Lips Moisturizing Sheer Lip Gloss. Normally I would use my Fenty Gloss Bomb, or I use the Wet n Wild lip gloss, because like that's a good lip gloss too. But I do love this one, LA Colors. This is what it looks like on the end. I love that as well. So okay, y'all, so this is the final look of my everyday makeup routine. It's real simple, real easy, you know. I don't do too much really with the the no foundation everyday makeup routine that I do, which is it's actually of course more easier, because all I'm using is concealer, of course just some powder to set it, and then I just apply my lashes, highlighter, boom, that's pretty much it. Just put on some popping lip gloss, you know. That's all, pretty much all you need to do. This lip gloss, y'all, like, I don't know if y'all can see, how my lip gloss is just popping. I don't know, but anyway, so yeah, so you made it to the end of this video. Of course, I do thank you guys for watching. I would also appreciate it if you thumbs up my video, and then I will even love it even more if you guys just subscribe to my channel, of course, to see more videos. I thank you guys again for watching my video. Of course, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.